Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for our healthy lifestyle segment. Today is all about our pups. We are going to be making a dog treat. We were recently at the veterinarian and she informed us that a lot of the dog biscuits at the store are filled with lots of preservatives and they may not be listed on the ingredients. So we thought, how much fun would it be to make our own and bring this recipe to you?
We will be making whole wheat dog biscuits called Doggie's Delight.
It's super easy. We'll have all the ingredients listed and the directions. So let's get started. I'm cutting cookies for the dogs.
Rosie!
Okay, time for the oven at 350 degrees for 13 to 15 minutes.
In this batch, we made about 80 dog biscuits.
So the true test will be to see how our dogs love them.
Looks like they're a hit.
Hope you enjoy the video and have fun making these cookies for your fur babies at home.
Remember to like and subscribe to support Yoga First and Wellness.